Ever felt the sting of a negative review tarnishing your hard-earned reputation? You're not alone, and there's a powerful solution you might not know about. Reverse SEO is your secret weapon to reclaim your online presence. Unlike traditional SEO, it works to bury those damaging reviews and unwanted content. Imagine seeing your brand's positive content dominate search results, pushing negative feedback into obscurity. This is the magic of reverse SEO. Start by actively removing negative web content. Sometimes, a simple conversation with the content creator can work wonders. When removal isn't possible, suppression is key. Flood the internet with positive content about your brand, making the negative harder to find. Regularly publishing engaging blog posts and articles not only boosts your reputation but also showcases your expertise in the industry. Don't underestimate the power of social media. Being active on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram can significantly enhance your online image. Consider reaching out to bloggers or reviewers to remove negative posts. In some cases, legal action might be necessary, but it's not always the go-to solution. Remember, every business faces negative feedback at some point. The crucial part is how you respond and what steps you take to mitigate the damage. Take control of your online reputation today with Reverse SEO. Turn those negative search results into a distant memory and let your positive image shine.